Dear students, welcome to online virtual classroom of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. This class is for 5th standard scholarship students. Let me begin the class.
So, dear students, we are entering into the topics of intelligence test of scholarship conducted for class 5 students. Intelligence can be tested by different tools, different methods, different aspect of intelligence will be tested. One of the aspect mentioned over here is about the ability to comprehend. Ability to comprehend means you will be given certain information, you will comprehend from that, you will understand, observe and conclude from that particular information given, and that will be used by you to give answer. Information can be in the form of letters, words or series or alphabet, anything, that is not important here. Your ability to comprehend, ability to understand or grasp or collect the information will be checked. And if you have collected information, you can naturally answer the question. Because you will apply it in your level, your knowledge will apply there. This is what is my comprehension, this is what is my observation, this is what I understood and I am applying it. This way the questions are framed and your intelligence will be tested. Another interesting thing is, everybody is having intelligence, so everybody will get the answer. So फिर क्या problem है? Who answers quickly is important. Who quickly comprehend is important. Who quickly understand and grasp the information is important. Who quickly understand, grasp and apply that to get the answer is important. So for 75 questions, 150 marks, 90 minutes, that particular package, always you should remember. I have to save time in simple questions so that I can devote time in difficult question, because there will be difficult question. You can watch the last video to understand that there is a distribution of question, criteria for question, difficulty level is different for different questions and there is a ratio. So my dear students, कुछ भी नहीं है डरने के लिए, but be sharp to sharpen your intelligence. Very simple questions, but time will not allow you to sit, think, calculate, look there, write over there. No. And for me, if I do quickly and from using my common sense and intelligence, I will take more time. Or if I have to explain, I will take more time. So what I will do is, I will keep on explaining and giving you answers. So the time taken for a simple question may be 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And you have less than 30 seconds for this type of question. For example, here is a alphabet series is given, Z is not given, except Z, all are given, and but made into groups of 5 so that it is easy to count. That's the purpose of giving it like that. And this kind of question is very common. One question is guaranteed. The question is, which is the ninth letter to the left of R? Now, you are not supposed to write anything in the question paper except there is a space given at the below as space for rough work. I am not keeping a rough work space over here because my screen will get, the letters on the screen will get small and you will find it difficult to read out. So I will write over here on the screen, but you will not write in the question paper, you will write in the space if required. But you can simply keep your pen or pencil, whatever is in your hand, to count and all. Here you can see that for generally these are made into set of 5. So to count it is easy and it is 25. And the question is left of R, ninth letter. R is here, you have to count to the left of you. Left of R means left of you only, to the left. So when I count to the left, I know that this 5 is here and 2 letters are here and 2 more I have to take. So that means 1, 2 here, plus 5, 7, 8, 9th letter must be I. And you will look into the answer and I is there. And I took more than 1 minute because I was explaining. But for you, this should be done. This kind of question should be done in 15 seconds, I would say, so that you can give 1 minute time to another question which may be tough. And another session, not in comprehension. Comprehension is comparatively easier And everyone feels that they are right. That's the beauty of this kind of competitive exams. And when result comes, you will come to know that somewhere it was wrong. And we will never come to know where it was wrong because your intelligence is tested. Anyway, coming back, in this what is the confusion? Ninth letter to the left of R. क्या confusion हो सकते हैं? One confusion will be ये left क्या है? Luckily, इसमें R के right side में तो 9 letter नहीं है. So, forever you please understand, left means you are left. Second confusion क्या आ सकते हैं? R has to be counted or not. R को काउंट करना है क्या नहीं? दिस इज माई ड्यूटी टू एक्सप्लेन. R को काउंट नहीं करना है. टू योर लेफ्ट 1 means 1, 2, 3. That way you will count. That is why the answer is Y. And what I said is true. Why? Because J is not given, H is not given. Otherwise, if R is counted, the answer might have been J. It is not given. Understood? So, like that, you should understand that from the questions which I am explaining, my purpose will be to explain how to think. And the group of 5 you should use very perfectly. वो group of 5 का फायदा उठाना ही है. Okay, let me go to the next question. थोड़ा एनर्जी लेवल ऊपर रखना है आपको, so that you will get things quickly. ऐसा नहीं कि not like how we explain science, maths and other subjects. We cannot coolly explain this kind of thing because this need a different level of energy. Here is the set of alphabet and the question is in the alphabetical series. If the series from K to Y are written in the reverse order, which letter will occur at the middle place? From K to Y, this is K, this is Y. We have to write in reverse order. See, whether you have to write or not, you will decide. I will write and show you, but you don't have to write. We know that reverse kiya. Okay, as it is set of 5, we know that this is 5, this is 5. It will go reverse. It will start from, for example, it will be Y, X, and that way it will go on. And when you write, automatically this will come in the center because this will be here reversed. So I think this 5 is okay, this 5 is okay. If only you reverse the center one and no need of reverse, even if you reverse or not, as it is 5, R will be center. Most of the intelligent students will do it on reading itself. The right side 5 will be reversed, left side 5 will be reversed, center 5 also will be reversed. The center 5 will be the center only, and the center 5, the center 1 is R, and the answer must be R. So this is a 10-second question. And what confusion will be there? If the letters from K to Y are written in the reverse order, कुछ confusion नहीं है. K to Y को reverse order में डालना है. Which letter will occur at the middle place? उसमें भी confusion नहीं है. So it's a simple question. We will go ahead. If the letters from F to J are written 3 times in a row, which letter will be at 11th place from the right hand? Again, F to J are written in 3 times. So F is written 3 times, G is written 3 times, H is written 3 times, I is written 3 times, J is written 3 times. This is the meaning of the question. To make the meaning of the question clear to you, I am writing it. Which letter will be 11th? One thing is sure. Again, you are writing all the letters 3 times. All the letters 3 times, and the middle letter is F, G, H, I, J. Understood? These are the letters. 5 letters are there. You are writing 3 times, so it will be 15 letters. And you are asked the 11th letter. Understood? From the right side, 3 3s are 9. So 3 sets of the right side is over. 11th one would be naturally, you will imagine the answer and get the answer. Make you likha idhar? You have to think this in mind. See, you are given F to J written 3 times. So we know that F to the letters are F, G, H, I, J. Writing 3 times of these 5 letters, total will be 50. Correct? And writing 3 times, all will be 3 times. So 3, 6 plus 3, 9. Correct? And 11 will be this one. Is there any need of writing this? No need of writing this. Imaginary काम है. It's a simple imaginary work. Because F, G, H, I, J. J3, I3, H3. That means 9, 11th is asked. So that will be the next set because it is from the right end. F and J are written 3 times. So my dear students, ये आप लिखेगा ही नहीं, mentally करेगा. I wrote it because I have explained to you. Let me go ahead. In the given alphabet series, again alphabet series, write the next adjacent letter. Adjacent means always. In our Indian concept of writing, free write from left to right, understood? Adjacent will be in a paper, in writing, it will be one right, which is 5th place of the left of I. Now, you have not simply write the adjacent letter. Which adjacent letter to which letter? The letter which is 5th place of the left of I. So alphabet series काम में आएगा. Left of I from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th letter. So you can go to the question. In the given alphabet, write the next adjacent letter to the letter which is 5th place of the left of I. We took L, I, and we moved 5th place, and we have to write the adjacent letter. I understand the question in this format. That's why the answer is E. But here in this case, your fingers may help to go from I to the 5th position, then come one right, because adjacent is next to it. Adjacent always without mentioning anything is one to the right, next. Next will be always right. If it is in Arabian country where Urdu is the language, Arabic language is followed, then the adjacent means one to the left. Understood? That's why I said without mentioning adjacent is always one to the right in writing. लिखने के टाइम. और तो ये मैंने जो बताया वो सही है दिखाने के लिए सी तो दिया ही नहीं है adjacent to D करके. So they don't want to confuse you also. सी तो दिया नहीं तो तुरंत मतलब हाँ adjacent मतलब right होगा. Right. Coming to the next. Again alphabet series. Alphabet series. Which is the letter middle of the place between E and S? E is here. S is here. Then 5 here, 10 here, 3 here, 13 here, so 5 here, 6 here, 7th letter will be in the middle, because 6 plus 6 is 12, middle letter will be 7th letter, because it is given that E and S, E को भी हमने निकाला, S को भी निकाला, and we are having 13 letters. After 13 letters, 7th letter will be middle. So we will mark L. How much time required? 10 seconds. You will simply use your finger from S. We will understand that E, remove. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 3, 13. Count. 5 plus 2, 7. 7th one is L. Took 10 seconds. Going to the next question. Again alphabet series. Let it be. I will give example of other things later. What is the question? Which is the letter adjacent to M but not adjacent to O? Adjacent to M and adjacent to O. Here, it is very clearly given adjacent to. Adjacent is having a simple meaning. जो share करते wall share. Adjacent is neighbor. But it is clearly mentioned. The earlier logic won't apply here. It is given alphabet series in which letter adjacent to M, M का नजदीक आना है, adjacent होना है, but not of O. It should not be the adjacent letter to O. So this cannot be the answer. Answer should go to the other side. Because adjacent, as I told, next to. But if next to is not specifically mentioned, next is right. Here it is specifically mentioned. It cannot be adjacent to O. It can be adjacent to M. So naturally, you have an option of N. If it is selected as N, because N is given here, then it is adjacent to O. So you have to go for L. This is the correct answer. So here it is specifically mentioned. That's why earlier question I said, whenever you say adjacent without any specific mentioning, then you will move right. If there is specific mentioning, adjacent will be adjacent. आपको दो neighbor रहते हैं, अगर बीच में रहते हैं, आपके क्लास में दोनों साइड में क्लास है, adjacent class means which side. But in writing, without saying, it is one right. But if it is said specifically like this, it will be specifically followed. Here is a question. The question is having some numbers given. So naturally, little bit of next level of question or something like that. Let me read the question. Using the letters representing 25, 18, 9, 28, 1, 3 as numbers, a meaningful word is formed, which will be the fourth letter from the last. So a meaningful word should be formed by using the position given with respect to the alphabets. Now my dear students, you may feel that you should copy the alphabet series into the rough pace and then do it. It can be done, because sometime it will be useful in certain other questions also. Otherwise, I would say this also can be done. It is given 25 means one letter is, I would say, Y. 18 means 25 here it is 20, 18 will be R here. This is 18, this is 25, and we will, because you will not mark, I am telling you, this is 9, correct? And 20, 5 fours are 20, so that means T. Then you are having 8, 5 plus 3, 8, H. Then you are having 1, which is A, no problem, 3, which is C. So from this, you have to make a meaningful word. वो तो अपना skill है, whether we can make it quickly or not. The word over here is CHARITY, and the middle word means 3 here, R is the middle word. No, that is not us, sorry. The question is fourth letter, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, then also it is. Fourth letter is also R. Middle word is also, middle like came from the last question. ऐसा भी कभी हो सकते, we will be having the hangover of last question and we will find out the middle and get the answer wrong. आपके साथ नहीं होना, I was going wrong. And here it is, fourth letter is asked, fourth letter is, luckily the answer of my answer was right, because middle word or, this I have written for you. Why? Because I thought, okay, this way we have to think, 25 letters are there, pick out the number, YRITHC, correct? And the word is charity, very good. So you will pick out R and mark it. You can pause the video and spend time to grasp it, what is done and how the answer is R. Okay, let me go ahead. What is the sum of the positional number of vowels of English alphabet? Again, positional number of vowels of English alphabet. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A is 1, E is 5, I is 9, O is 15, and U is 21. You have to add this. This much you have to do in the rough page. Understood? Let me check. I might have written here A, E, I, O, U. And the numbers are 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 15 plus 21. Total is 51, and the answer is 51. Totaling is not an issue. Your question should be understood and quickly identify the position is important. Totaling is done. You can do it in the rough space. Is the serial number of given letter is multiplied, which option will have a different answer? I am just doing it because you should be familiar with these numbers. One time if it comes into, it becomes necessary, you will write the alphabet series and put the number on that if you find that there are a number of questions. Here, the question is something different. If serial number of given letter is multiplied, then which option will have different answer? That means serial number of each should be written. And then we multiply that. It's a little bit time taking. So here you may take 45 seconds to do it, I would say. The first one is 2 into 4 into 3 into 2, it is 48. Second one is 6 into 8 into 1 into 1 plus 48. 8 into 3 into 1 into 2, 48. then the answer must be last one, 5 into 5 into 1, which is equal to 50. See, up till last we are getting same answer. And I have done it quickly. Why? Because I already feed karke rakha tha. But in your case, it is not like that. Correct? So, you should understand that this will take time. And you should copy the value of each digit separately and do it in the rough space. And here the quickness of observation, writing the number, multiplication of course is a mathematical ability, and once it is got 3 same and 1 different, the different one is the answer, because which option will have a different answer is asked, and it is the last one. Okay. If the serial number of every letter is doubled, what will be the sum of the word poor? Okay. We have to find the value of this, or the serial number of these letters. That's why serially numbering this alphabet will become necessary. And P is 16, O is 15, U is 21, and R is 18. We have to sum them and we have to double it. Okay, we'll do that. Sum it, double it, get the answer. Summing and doubling is not a big thing, but correcting then it is 16 plus 21, 16 plus 15 plus 21 plus 18 लिखने को कितना टाइम लगता है ये important है. That means your observation skill and collecting the information and apply your knowledge. Find the middle place number if the numbers 72, 31, 58, 14, 16 are arranged in ascending order. This is not from alphabet series. We will arrange them simply and will mark the middle one simply. So my dear students, we are changing the concept from alphabet series to something else, and I will stop here because next video will be again on comprehension, but maybe by numbers or any other kind of such things. But it never ends. You don't think that I will make a video of 20 minutes and your comprehension is done. You have to do at least 200 comprehension questions. Then you will feel that, okay, I am comfortable with comprehending, then I can answer comprehension questions, my dear students. I can only give you some samples like this. Now alphabet series is shown. The next is about the number series. Again, it will be having some other composite word numbers. Sometimes letters will be there. Anyway, your comprehension skill can be measured in more than one way, and any one of those or more than one will be coming in the question paper, and you will be checked for your intelligence. Anyway, my dear student, nobody is born without any intelligence or with extraordinary intelligence. Those things are occurring or happening during the lifetime, and you have a right time to sharpen your intelligence. Thank you.